Are you looking for the best portable blender to make smoothies, protein shakes, and healthy drinks on the go? With so many portable blenders available in 2026, choosing the right one can be challenging. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, a student, or someone who enjoys healthy living, a good portable blender can make your daily routine much easier. Today's portable blenders are more powerful than ever, offering better battery life, stronger motors, compact designs, and the ability to blend fruits, ice, and protein shakes with ease. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best portable blenders of 2026. We'll compare their performance, portability, battery life, features, and overall value to help you find the perfect blender for your needs. Make sure to stay until the end because our number 1 pick offers the best combination of power, convenience, and value in 2026. Let's get started. Let's begin our countdown with number 5, the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. Looking for a portable blender that can go wherever you go? The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is designed for people with active lifestyles. Featuring a cordless design, USB-C charging, and an 18-ounce blending vessel, it makes smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks easy to prepare anytime, anywhere. Its leak-proof lid, rechargeable battery, and lightweight design make it perfect for travel, work, school, or the gym. Key features: heavy checkmark cordless portable design, heavy checkmark USB-C rechargeable battery, heavy checkmark 18 ounces blending capacity, heavy checkmark leak-proof lid, heavy checkmark BPA-free construction. Final verdict: if you want a powerful and travel-friendly blender, the Ninja Blast is an excellent choice for everyday use. Moving on to number 4, the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. Need an affordable blender for quick smoothies and shakes? The Hamilton Beach Portable Blender features a compact design, a 14-ounce BPA-free travel cup, and durable stainless steel blades. It allows you to blend and drink from the same cup, making cleanup quick and easy. Its one-touch operation makes it ideal for busy mornings and daily use. Key features: heavy checkmark 14-ounce travel cup, heavy checkmark one-touch operation, heavy checkmark stainless steel blades, heavy checkmark compact lightweight design, heavy checkmark budget-friendly price. Final verdict: a simple and affordable blender that's perfect for students, professionals, and smoothie lovers. Coming in at number 3, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Want more power for smoothies and frozen drinks? The Ninja Fit Personal Blender features a powerful 700-watt motor and advanced pulse technology that easily blends fruits, vegetables, protein powder, and ice. It also includes 2 16-ounce to-go cups, allowing you to blend and take your drink with you. Key features: heavy checkmark powerful 700W motor, heavy checkmark Ninja Pulse technology, heavy checkmark 2 16 ounces to-go cups, heavy checkmark smoothie frozen drink ready, heavy checkmark compact design. Final verdict: the Ninja Fit offers excellent performance and convenience for anyone with an active lifestyle. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Nutribullet Personal Blender. Looking for one of the most trusted personal blenders on the market? The Nutribullet Personal Blender comes with a powerful 600-watt motor and nutrient extraction technology that helps create smooth and nutritious drinks from fruits, vegetables, and frozen ingredients. Its large 24-ounce cup makes it perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and healthy meal preparation. Key features: heavy checkmark 600W high-performance motor, heavy checkmark nutrient extraction technology, heavy checkmark 24 ounces blending cup, heavy checkmark easy operation, heavy checkmark durable stainless steel blades. Final verdict: a reliable and powerful blender that's perfect for healthy living and daily nutrition. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set. Want a blender that can do more than just make smoothies? The Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set is designed to handle smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, dips, and food preparation with ease. Its compact design and blend-and-serve convenience make it a favorite for busy households. With multiple cups and accessories included, it offers outstanding flexibility for everyday kitchen tasks. Key features: Heavy Checkmark Complete 11-piece set, Heavy Checkmark Blend, Mix Chop, Heavy Checkmark Compact Space-Saving Design, Heavy Checkmark Easy to Use Clean, Heavy Checkmark Great Value for Money. Final verdict: if you're looking for an affordable and versatile personal blender, the Magic Bullet is our top pick for 2026. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best portable blenders of 2026. Whether you're looking for a compact blender for travel, a powerful option for protein shakes, or a versatile blender for everyday use, there's a perfect choice on this list for every lifestyle and budget. From the portable Ninja Blast to the powerful Nutribullet and the versatile Magic Bullet, today's best portable blenders make it easier than ever to enjoy fresh smoothies and healthy drinks wherever you go. If you're looking for the best overall combination of performance, portability, and value, our number 1 pick stands out as the ultimate choice for 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect portable blender for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Zyveron Tech Asif, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews, buying guides, and top product recommendations. Let us know in the comments which portable blender was your favorite and which one you'd choose for your daily routine. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Thanks for watching Zyveron Tech Asif. Stay healthy, stay energized, and keep blending wherever life takes you. We'll see you in the next video.